On your TimesManager homepage, there are many customizable dashboards to keep you organized and on top of everything. One is your personal calendar, where you can view all of your appointments. If you want to view the schedules of your coworkers and the availability of meeting rooms, you can look at the corporate calendar by clicking on View Calendar. Here you will have the option to view the calendar by month, week, or day. In this example, there is a meeting that starts at 9 a.m. with 3 participants in a conference room. By changing to the monthly view, the format will change, but the same information is displayed. You have the option to see other employee and location calendars by simply checking or unchecking the box next to their name. For a quick overview of your calendar, TimesManager offers color coding for people, conference rooms, or categories like paralegals, mediators, associates, and senior partners. To color code an item, click on the color icon next to a name and choose the fill color as well as the text color to represent the person or conference room selected. In addition to having your calendar organized through TimesManager, you have the option to interface with Microsoft Outlook and Office 365. Interfacing with Office 365 simply requires you to enter your login, which TimesManager will remember, and the interface will automatically be created. If you are using a desktop version of Outlook, just download the Outlook plugin and set it up with your TimesManager username and password, and it will synchronize with your calendar. A great feature of interfacing with Office 365 or synchronizing with your Outlook calendar is that it will assist you in populating not only Microsoft products, but your Android and iPhone as well. Keep in mind that the calendar only shows registered users of TimesManager, but you do have the option of inviting any of your contacts when you create an event, even if they are not TimesManager users. If you need any additional assistance, you can check the help file located at the top of every page or contact our support team and we'll be happy to help.